Arrive in style with this Nissan 2018 Armada SV. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, 13 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, radio data system, radio, Bose AM/FM XM CD MP3/HD radio, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual-zone AC. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.